Hey there, sixth graders. Here we go again. I'm going to show you how to do your presentation. So if you open up the link that's on the assignment document, it'll pop you to this insulator lab. The first thing you should do is to share it with all your group members. Okay. And so let's say Mr. Guzzi and Miss Bradley are my group members. Now this is going to be where it's really tricky, and you guys are going to really have to work collaboratively and work well together and communicate, because you guys will all be able to edit this program. So you guys will all be turning in one document to me. I'm not going to be grading 4 individual documents. I want one document. So everyone can edit, and you share it with everyone in your group, and also include good old Mr. Steely. Okay. And then you send it to them. Okay, so everyone should be able to open this up. Before you do any background changes or anything fancy or anything distracted from your work, just keep it white background with black font. You will not get a bad grade if you have white background, black font. So I don't want anyone messing with the formatting unless they've done everything. In fact, you will get points deducted if your PowerPoint distracts from what your lab was supposed to tell us. So go through here. You're going to write down all the group members, and you're going to delete this part when you're done. So you'll put like Mr. Guzzi, Miss Bradley, and whatnot. You go to the next one. You're going to have to type down what was the original question, which is on the sheet I'll give you today. You're going to have to go and reset up the lab, and you don't have to reconduct the lab, but you need to set it up so we can take a photo of it, so I actually know what you guys did. So do as your best as you can to recreate the lab we did yesterday. On this one, this is where you collect. This is where you're going to put in how much change over time. How much did these change? Okay. And this actually tells us what is the best insulator, of the 2 materials you tried. Okay. And then this is where I want you guys to copy and paste your 2 graphs. I want the 2 graphs that are described. I want a line graph that shows the change over time. And then I want a column graph that compares the difference in temperature. Okay. And then when you're done, you're going to use those data from your graphs and from that data table to answer the question, what was the best insulator? So again, make a claim, what's the best insulator? You need evidence, which is actually your data. So you're going to restate your data. And then you're going to actually use reasoning, where you're going to connect the evidence to the data. You're going to explain why you think one works and what is heat in exchange. So it should be no more than 4 sentences for each student. Now, each student will actually have to do their own of these. So for example, student 1, let's say it was me, I'd put Daryl Steely. And then the next one, student 2 would have to write their own. And so basically you guys can turn in, and then student 3 would write their name, and then student 4, if you have a student 4. If you only have a group of 3, you're going to delete that one. And then at the end, I want you guys all to contribute for possible reasons for error, and also future questions about insulation. What do you want to know? Or extensions, or things you want to know about insulators. So the group is turning in one single document. Everything's going to be the same except for the CER statements. And you're going to all share that with me. And that's what we need to accomplish today. And if you guys get this done, you can make changes to the background or the format, but I don't want pictures in the background that distract from the meaning. I don't want real bright colors that actually hurt someone's eyes. Keep it nice and simple. You can change some things, make it your own. But again, do not add anything that will distract from the reason we did this lab, and to communicate your results. Please ask questions during class and have fun.